Akaso Snap X and recorded on a Akaso Brave 7LE. What's in the box? An instruction manual, which includes, I would imagine, QR codes for an app I've already probably got installed. It's a little out of place inside the packaging, but it just traveled here across multiple oceans and time zones. Snap X. Oh, important. Oh, that feels good. Okay. So we'll set that right there. Reach in the box and pull out the next tidbit. Well, maybe. Unfortunately, it pulls out and tears. So we'll set that aside. Please don't eat the silica gel. Well, I don't generally read instructions. Let's start with this package, which should be and is the case with which you can carry the Snap X. Initial impression: don't put a lot of pressure on that initial impression. Oh, here we go. It's got one of those that needs to be peeled. Yep, there's another. All right, before I power this up, let me open the next bit. For the vertical, using the standard GoPro blades, if you want to call it that. Horizontal, the standard USB-C cable, and a clip that lets you clamp it to a hat, I guess, or let it sit. We'll put that in at another point in time. The lanyard. Tell you what, that's got some weight to it, unlike some of the others that I've had and tried. So let's take the camera back out, which comes out fairly easy. It has printing on there for vertical and horizontal. Ooh, nice and crisp. I don't think that's going anywhere. Okay, let's turn it on, shall we? charged. It may need to be charged. Well, in which case we'll put it in here and we'll see if this has any charge. Well, I guess we'll revisit this after I've charged it. It's kind of neat that there's a 1/4-20 thread here, but it's not flat. That's a little disappointing. And it's recessed a little bit, so there's nothing, you're going to have a screw that sticks up quite a ways. But it's a USB-C connection right there. So it's interesting. There's your connections on the back. Unless I'm missing something, I think it needs to be charged. Anyway, I think this is a neat little toy, and I'll give it a whirl. If it's already charged and it's taking forever to turn on, that's an improvement over the Akaso 360 that I got last week. I'm sure I'm missing something. Anyway, next video will be me turning it on and using it. So with that, Roger out.